Hello there and welcome to the Indian Insight channel. This is a short update on Nifty, the mid cap index, the small cap index, and the general market. But first, a disclaimer: I'm not a registered investment advisor. I'm registered with the AMFI as a mutual fund distributor. This is just a general update on the market. For any specific advice, please consult your financial advisor and do your own due diligence. We have been anticipating a correction in the market since February. That correction didn't quite materialize last month. However, there are pockets of weakness everywhere, and the small cap and the mid cap index in recent days has fallen sharply. The Nifty index has just started falling. Now, this is the chart which I have shared previously, and this is the trend channel. The market has so far respected this trend channel. As you can see, although we moved higher, but we stayed within this trend channel. Ideally, if it's a roaring bull market, what you would like to see is an acceleration above this trend channel, but that has still not materialized. Instead, the market has moved along higher close to this channel. Now what happens is, this kind of a movement is always susceptible to a big fall. Now in the last week, some fall has started in the index, and you can actually see this fall accelerate in the coming few weeks, let's say in the next couple of weeks. So important level for Nifty would be the low here, which is around 21,137. The 21-day moving average support also comes around 21,318. Further, it is definitely possible that we may try to test the middle of this channel. This level will be around 20,800 to 21,000, depending on how fast the market may correct. And if this level also does not hold, then you can see the market trying to test the 19,500 levels. So please be open-minded in the sense that unless we accelerate above this trend channel, there is always a possibility that we may test up to 19,500, and then we will see if that happens, we will see if the market holds there or not. Let's look at the mid cap index. Mid cap index is now testing the 21-day moving average. So it is trying to take support around the 21-day moving average. Typically this is in a strong uptrend, but the fall has been pretty sharp, and as you can see, there has been a divergence on the RSI as well. So further weakness is definitely likely, is definitely possible in the mid cap index as well, and the important support will be around the 50-day moving average for this index. This is around 41,500 currently. So if we are not able to stabilize here, then you can expect this fall to accelerate towards the 41,500 level. Personally, I would suggest that you do not be too aggressive in this market. This fall can go deeper. The best thing you can do is wait for market to stabilize. It is very rare that the market takes a sudden U-turn. Normally it will give you a chance to enter before it goes up, and it will try to form a base, and then it will rally. So once you see that some kind of a base has formed, then you can try to enter the market. But unless that happens, I don't think you should be too aggressive in this market. Be very stock specific. Yesterday itself I updated on my Twitter as well that there are a lot of the stocks have seen tremendous damage, and frankly some of these stocks may even go into coma for few months to maybe even few years, while some other stocks have actually withstood the fall very well. So again, you have to be very stock specific, because the damage that has been done in the few days of the fall is pretty severe. Now let's look at the CNX small cap index. The small cap index has broken below the 21-day EMA around 14,890, and again it is likely that it may test the 13,300 level, which is the 50-day moving average. Now I want to zoom in here. Let me just zoom in. So typically, if this was a normal correction, ideally we should have seen this correction contained is this in this downward trend channel, but instead we have broken below this trend channel. We have broken below the 21-day moving average, which means more weakness is likely over the coming few weeks. So that's it for today from my side. Please be careful in the market, and I will try to update my views again whenever I see some important development in the market. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and please share this video with your friends. Thank you for logging in.